Hi guys, what is up? This is Penguin Tech here. Today I'm going to bring you another unboxing video on this M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD here, which is the XPG SX6000PRO M.2 2280 PCIe Gen 3 X4 SSD. Now while I'm holding this one is a 512GB version. There's actually a 256GB and as well as 1TB size. Now let's go over the box here. It says that this one is using the 3D NAND here, and the NVMe interface is 1.3. It also uses XLC caching here and HMB, which is the host memory buffer that should provide you extra boost in the read speed and write speed. And this box itself also contains a DIY heatsink, which we will take a look at later on. And moving to the side here, we don't have anything. Nothing else anymore. And at the back here there's a QR code for you to scan for details, and here it says that the speed is up to 2100 megabytes per second for reading and 1500 megabytes per second for writing, which is not the fastest but quite fast for a PCIe SSD here. And not to mention that this is a budget M.2 PCIe SSD here, because I got it for 270 ringgit here, which is about 65 USD only. For this size, it's actually very worthy. So I bought this because I'm going to build a rendering PC soon, so stay tuned for that and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's unbox this. Oh, I forgot to mention that this SSD comes with a 5 years warranty, which is very long, and it's also made in Taiwan. So now let us get inside the box here and see what's inside. Here we go, very simple packaging. As you can see, the M.2 is here and the heatsink is here. Now let's take it apart here. As you can tell, this is a 2280 size here. This is a 80mm size, and there seems to have no screws provided here, but it's okay. Now we're going to take a look at the controller here. The controller is actually a Realtek controller. I'm not sure if you can see, with four memory chips on one side and no chips on this side at all, which makes it very thin and suitable for laptops. And as you can see, it's actually only 2.15 mm and it only weighs 8 grams, which is extremely light. Now here's the heatsink itself. It's actually very bendable here. As you can see, it's very soft, but I don't see many SSD that comes with stock heatsink, so this is actually a very nice touch. Good job, ADATA. And this is the XPG logo on here, and here's the sticker. As you can see, you can just peel this off and then put it onto it like this, which to me actually looks way nicer with the heatsink on. Now I forgot to mention that the NAND flash is actually a second generation 3D TLC, which actually should be very good for read and write. And you can see that this is a M key here with a notch down here, so you should plug into most of your motherboard or even laptops. That is all from me guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to watch out for my future video where I will use this to build a rendering PC. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!